Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Aura collection of tea kettles. They're whistling kettles. The whistle is integrated right in the front here over the spout, and the whistle will go off when the water comes to the boil and it creates steam, and that's what actually makes the whistle go. And the other thing is then you just pull the trigger to serve your hot water by doing that. And the lid here comes off. That's where you put the water in before you bring it to a boil. You just pop that back on. This has a nice scoop handle. It's soft to the touch, and it's also slip-free, and it stays cool, as does the lid handle. So this is an all stainless steel brushed model. That's the one that I like. And it also comes in white, red, and black. And these other colors, other than the stainless steel, are actually what's called enamel-on steel. So they're steel construction, which makes them really efficient, but the enamel allows you to make these beautiful colors. So there you have it, the Aura collection of whistling kettles by Cuisinart.